Yeah, them in hard working sort of me have to out there all the while I work and I look it. You understand? So me no have no time to sit down and teach her to cook.
So you say you got cooking class?
No, me I get a woman who can cook. So me now go start it with one who cannot. You understand? Because it's a puzzle for me and me now look puzzle. You look a puzzle, Johnny?
Puzzle? They already have that.
What it is?
You want to go back to day one, sir?
That is it.
That is it?
Yeah.
But anyway, leave that alone.
Somebody ever tell us, say, yo, put yourself in my shoes? Well, that's the question tonight. How would you as a man fit in our woman's shoes? Now, this story is courtesy of Bawdacat and Danny and well-known participant called King Johnny. And this video is courtesy of Drizzy Burke. It's a funny one. Comedic funny. Now watch and enjoy.
What about you, Johnny? You have put yourself in a man position.
In what formation, sir?
Yes or no? That is the question.
Come on, sir. Come on,
yes or no?
If I would put myself into a female
position. Yes or no?
No.
Other question.
No, sir.
That is it.
Okay.
Did you, Danny?
Me say, I mean, easy does it.
Okay, you have put yourself in a
Easy does it.
position.
Easy does it.
All right, hear me now. You have your man. That is it, you know, because you're done in a female position already. So you have your man, right? You feel like your man a get away from you. You understand what I mean when I say your man a get away from you? Neither girl a take him. And you not get all that money, you not get everything. You check your friend and your friend tell you, say, you what? God want hubby a man will live up there, so. And the hubby a man a got to make everything where your man have come to you. You would have like that?
Me don't like what, sir?
If everything where your man have come to you.
Pardon? When my man have?
Yeah. Remember you done
put yourself in a woman.
Me, no, me say he does it.
No, try deny Danny, man. You done that already.
No.
Yeah.
That's
how weird this
what are the parties? When it come on to you, this I go to the world, you know. I cannot answer to that question.
But you answer already.
You say easy does
you
it,
can't change again. Yeah, easy be a woman position. Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. So you go to the hubby man.
Since you want me to answer.
Yeah.
Me I go to the hubby man. The hubby man chilling clad.
Yeah, man. And you go to the hubby man and tell the hubby man, say, you want everything where your man have to come to you. Alright, the hubby man give you one something. Tell you, say, you have to bathe in this and use the water and cook your man food.
So you put yourself in a woman position. And you can't hold the man, so you decide to go over man because somebody else will take your man. And the over man gonna give, or over woman, mother woman rather, gonna give somebody something to shower in. And you must, after you shower in that, the water we use to shower in, you gotta use that and cook your man food. What a wicked act, man. Jesus pitimus. Poor man don't even know what a go on. Ah, boy. Well, we're gonna watch and see what a go on. But Danny is in the position of a woman. So Danny is actually a woman right now.
And game, do you do that?
Yeah.
You would do that? You hold your man.
I want to tell this man bumper class story, my yo.
But you see how some people funny. Don't me ask him the question the proper way first. This man declare himself, say him not in the argument.
I'm being say, me say easy does it. So me never say yes.
Yeah.
But it's a pressure man, it's me and my man. I do it, man. Just talk the story, man.
Me just say if me think a woman not put himself in a position for him hold him man. Instead of you have to go make a hobby man hold a man for you.
Yeah, that's right.
You understand what I mean now? So where you think? Nothing a woman hold should have good enough.
Of course.
For hold him man.
Of course.
So what the problem make you did have to go the other man?
Hey, what the problem? Eh?
Come now, let's do chat, you know. That go mix me up in
No,
the
but he's saying something like what he's saying. He can prove that, right? That can be proven. What he's saying.
Awesome.
That can be proven, sir.
King Johnny, were you not in the story? Were you not listening? Why? Johnny always lost nice sauce. But Johnny being lost in the sauce make the sauce even nicer. Johnny has no clue what is going on. Anyways, or probably I'm jumping to conclusion about King Johnny. So we're going to continue watching the last piece of segment, you know.
Yeah, it can be proved once she's a woman.
No.
Yeah.
We are talking about with him.
Well, I don't know, you know,
Okay.
but him done declare himself can go in the position.
Okay.
So, him have a problem.
Alright, you need to ask a brother that question, you know.
No, I can't ask a woman if he would have put himself in a woman position. She had done a woman already.
Yeah, so I ask
Yeah.
you.
I text you, Pamela, put them question to me.
You don't want to be more on yourself. Yeah, man, I don't want to be so holy for something, you know. So. Woman position a woman have, so may I check it out, brother. So if you know anybody.
What type of woman I like it? Like Johnny, I'm saying like older woman, you know. He don't want to see no young girl at all. He don't date a young girl.
Well, in our life still, you know, big man must want big woman. You understand? Not sense young girl really nice. Nice to par with, but like you need somebody who have to take care of you, like a big woman who know the maths, you know.
So young girl can't take you on big man.
I got to teach him too much stuff. Yeah. No something I have to go teach him. But not no wrong for teach, you know. Yeah, cause you wouldn't take a woman who can cook.
Yeah. Come and teach
I
her.
find the time for teach him to cook.
Yeah, because that is love. I'm a one time around me. So
Or you would send him a cooking school.
no, sir. That's one of them.
So yeah, go get time for work and teach her to cook.
Come on, we get time and see
I
that
think
come.
it go hard for me still, you know.
So hard for you.
To find time to teach a woman to cook right now.
So, hold on here. So, you get time for your yard and for your lover field.
Then when me come in for make love, a time to teach you to cook.
Then every time you come in, love you want to make some?
The time when me come in, I time for me get little loving.
Every time you come,
some? Yeah, them me not hard working, so them me have to out all the while I work.
Listen me. Dating a woman who can cook. I was gonna say something, but me knows my phone gonna ring off tomorrow. And me don't want that issue there. I don't want that problem there, so me leave it alone. But that's why I like mature women. Mature women know what men want. Plus, them young girls, I'm gonna go through their whole phase. Me can't manage nobody who go through their whole phase. Me want a woman who done go through her whole phase 10, 15, 20 years ago. And when me say hoe, me mean backhoe. Or hoe we use when you plow your land. You understand? But if you go there, somebody who can cook and you have to go teach them to cook. Boy, what a challenge. And you at work, I go out morning, noon and night, I work hard and come on have to cook for both you and she. Better you live alone, brother. And do like we Bawdacat do. Go club, go buy. Or you can go to the bar and the regular clubs and buy female drink, or just if you're handsome and you have words in your mouth, we can't convince them and you go home back with them or them come back home with you. You understand? But yeah. Another story by a Bawdacat, and that was a funny one. And get Danny twisted in a hit, and of course, King Johnny lost nice sauce. And respect to the person who uploaded the video with his Drizzy Burke. You can go check out in channel. And with that, I'm closing off by saying thanks for watching. Like the video if you like it, share it if you like it, comment Danny, Johnny, or Bawdacat in our comment section, and stay safe and God bless.